Having an open mind can be the difference between living your life and living someone else's life. One of the best things you can have about your personality, about who you are, is just being open-minded, because when you're open-minded, there are many benefits that come along with it and many things that can hurt you if you're closed-minded. Now, I am here with 5 benefits of being open-minded. The first one kind of goes along with all the other ones, and that is you gain a lot of knowledge. And gaining knowledge just makes you a lot smarter than a lot of people and can increase a lot of other things in your life, like number 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now, number 2 is making mistakes. You're gonna make mistakes. Now, some people are like, why is that a benefit? If you make mistakes, you're more likely to succeed and you're more likely to know what not to do afterwards, which is kind of what links it to knowledge. If you have more knowledge, you have more of an idea of what to do and what not to do, so the less mistakes you'll make. But as long as you make mistakes, you're still heading in the right way. Now, benefit number 3 is that you gain a bunch of confidence, and confidence comes along with knowledge and comes along with making mistakes. You become more confident in your decisions, and having an open mind means that you're more open to accepting who you are and what your beliefs are, and you're not closed-minded because you're not confident in your abilities or in the knowledge that you have, or it's just a lot of like self-esteem issues come with having a closed mind. Now, number 4 goes along with the knowledge and along with the confidence, and that is you know who you are, and you're not trying to be anyone who you're not, because you're open-minded, you're open to a lot of different things, you're open to changing who you are, you're open to becoming a better person and not just fixated on who you are right now is the only person you will be and that you know everything. And that's another big benefit, is that you're not a know-it-all when you're open-minded. You accept that you don't know everything, but if you're closed-minded, you're most likely to think that you know exactly what is true, which is not true at all. Now, benefit number 5 comes with a lot of openness to opportunities and openness to a lot of experiences that closed-minded people wouldn't do. They'd be closed-minded, they wouldn't want to step outside their comfort zone, they wouldn't want to experience these new opportunities or having these new experiences that can change their life for all they know. So you won't find any closed-minded people doing a lot of opportunities that only open-minded people get, which in turn gets more knowledge, and just everything links together in this. And those are 5 benefits of having an open mind, and the biggest takeaway from this video is that a lot of the opportunities and experiences you have in life will come from being open-minded, and in turn will give you those chances to gain more knowledge and to be more confident and to figure out who you are. And all those benefits come along and they all link together for the one big benefit, and that is only possible by having an open mind and stepping outside your comfort zone. And so I encourage everyone to have an open mind, step outside your comfort zone, and that will make it easier to chase your dreams and succeed in life.